Everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, May 8th. Well, let's start with that stock index, the NASDAQ. Let's see what's going on there. We can see that buyers did come back into the market. We talked about follow through from the buyers on those shadows. We have that kind of behavior. It's setting up well for Friday. I do look for follow through to the upside. In the euro, it's backing off as the US dollar gets stronger, and that's what this red candle says to us. We've gotten high enough to find sellers. Let's see if they can give us some follow through to the downside. If we look at the interest rates, well, they perked up a bit, and that part I find a little disturbing. I'm bearish on these markets. I do look for continuation to the downside, but this price action was bullish. And if you look at this, the difference here between the bullish level and the bearish level in that market is $1,593.75 per contract. If we look at the bonds, that also traded above its bullish level in the night session. That difference there between the bearish and bullish level is $5,875 per contract. So what are we looking for here? I am not looking for follow through to the upside. I'm looking for a market maybe to rally a little bit, get a little stronger, but I'm looking for shadows on the highs when it comes to interest rates. In gold, I was looking for a sideways market. Instead, we've really gotten weaker. There's no real strong reason for a rally in gold right now, and I don't think we have a reason to expect a big move back to the upside, but rather a sideways move to slightly lower in that market. Let's take a look at those energy markets. And crude oil, made new highs yesterday, day before yesterday on selling, and we can see they continued. The difference between that bearish level and bullish level here in that market is $1,300 per contract. I'm not looking for any kind of rally here. I'm looking for a continuation to the downside. The next 4 days are going to be very important here. Natural gas, that difference between the bearish and bullish level in that market is $325 per contract. And if you move over to the grain market, soybeans traded below its bearish level, and the difference between the bearish and bullish level in that market is $500 per contract, and I'm looking for unchanged to lower in that market. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me, and I'm looking forward to being with you again. In the meantime,